Hello, in this video we are going to show you how to set up AdColony using the Cocos helper for Cocos 2D JS. It's really simple. Just make sure you have set up AdColony, actually not AdColony, sorry, I mean Cocos helper. If you haven't done it, there'll be a link in the description. There will be a separate video for Android if you're interested in that. What you want to do after that is go to adcolony.com, create a free account. Once you've done that, just sign in. Then you'll be presented with this dashboard. Go to monetization, click set up new app, select the platform of your app, and as we're doing iOS, let's select iOS. Where is the app going to be available? Global. Put an application name. You can search it for this on the store. You can just put your own name just for the dashboard. So I'm just going to put helper.js video tutorial app. Definitely not a long name at all. And then you can just specify some settings for child privacy, what sort of adverts you want, and then click create. Okay, once this has created, we're going to copy and paste this AdColony app ID. Go to your project, go to the settings file. You want to go to AdColony app ID, paste it into there. You want to scroll down, go to add zone. You can create a new zone. You look at the documentation in support for more information about add zones and just AdColony in general, but we're just going to use the default one. So let this load, and we're going to get this zone ID from here. You can change the zone type, so basically are you just going to have like a regular interstitial or a value exchange ad. Value exchange is a rewarded ad, so that you could display to the user, give them some free gems instead of them paying for it, or give them some extra lives. So I'm just going to click save, go back to Xcode, paste this into the zone ID right here. What we need to do is enable AdColony, so set that to true. And in comments next to it, there's a bunch of stuff that we need to do. Add some frameworks and add some linker flags. So go to your project, go to build phases, go to link binary with libraries, and here we're going to add all the frameworks. I've put all the frameworks that we need to add in Sublime Text so I can easily refer to them. So let's just do that one by one. So add support, AdColony.framework will manually add because that doesn't come with Xcode. Add support, and you need to set it to optional. All this information is in the settings file next to the toggle. We need audio toolbox, and that's right here. We need AV foundation, already added. Core graphics, already added. We need core media, we need core telephony, framework. We need both the event kit frameworks, so event kit and event kit UI. We need the game controller.framework, libsq light3.dylib, and libz.1.2.5.dylib. We need media player.framework, message UI. We need Quartz Core, which is already added. We need social.framework. We need to set this to optional. So scroll up, set it to optional. We need StoreKit.framework. This also needs to be set to optional. System configuration.framework. WebKit, gotta spell it correctly. WebKit.framework, and this also needs to be set to optional. So status optional. Go to build settings, scroll down until you get to the linking section. Go to other linker flags, which is bold. Double click on it, and now we need to add these linker flags. So put -objc capital O and capital C. Again, it's all in the settings file. You just copy and paste. -f objc -arc, and now the setup process is almost done. The last thing that we've actually got to do is go to the folder that you download from GitHub, go to the iOS frameworks folder. In there you'll have an AdColony.framework.zip. Just unzip that, then you'll get an AdColony.framework file. Copy that, go back to Xcode, just right click frameworks, show in Finder, paste it into here, drag and drop down to the frameworks folder. Make sure you have your options set the same way we do. Click finish, and now we can actually start showing you how to show a video ad. So if we go to app.js, sonar cocos helper.add colony.show video AC. This takes two parameters. It's just two Boolean parameters, and the first one just states whether or not you basically have a interstitial at the start, just to let the user know what is happening and to allow them to continue. And also the second parameter is to specify whether you have something similar at the end, stating that the ad has finished. If you didn't have it at the end, then the user would just go back into the game. So if it's gameplay, they just go back to gameplay. If it's game over, they go back to game over. If you didn't have it at the start, the user would just go directly into the ad. So I'm just going to put true and true. So if we run this now, what might happen is if I click the button, or when I click the button I should say, the ad may not appear. And if it doesn't appear, it's most likely because AdColony can't get the ad at the moment. And if that happens, don't worry, everything will be okay. So if I click this button, the ad has appeared. Like I said, if you can't get it, it'll say in the console something along the lines of you can't get an ad for the zone at the moment. If it does say that, don't worry, everything will be okay. Just wait for a bit, maybe create a new app and try that. It should be all good. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. There'll be a link in the description to that, plus anything else that you need. Please rate and subscribe, as it does really help. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.